नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Ritu Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Gynae Ops, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now today's session is Asphyxia neonatrum. Definition. In common clinical parlance, asphyxia neonatrum means non-establishment of satisfactory pulmonary respiration at birth. Of the 25 million infants born every year in India, 3 to 5% experience asphyxia at birth. Asphyxia is characterized by progressive hypoxia, hypercapnia, hypoperfusion, and acidosis. It may lead to multi-organ dysfunction that may cause death. Etiology of perinatal asphyxia. Now, first causes continuation of intrauterine hypoxia, that is placental insufficiency. First, the placenta as a respiratory organ of the fetus falls functionally, anatomically changes. Premature placental separation, cord compression, abnormal labor. Now, second is maternal hypoxic state, anemia, eclampsia, cyanotic disorder, dehydration, and hypotension. Now, B is the perinatal and intranatal medication to the mother like morphine, pethidine, and anesthetic agent depress the respiratory centers directly. Now, third is C, bad trauma to the neonate. Malpresentation such as breech, oblique lie, occipito posterior. Now, D is the postnatal factors, that is pulmonary, cardiovascular, neurological manifestations, abnormalities of the neonate. Pathophysiology of asphyxia. When an infant is deprived of oxygen, an initial period of rapid breathing occurs. If the asphyxia continues, the respiratory movement ceases, the heart rate begins to fall, neuromuscular tone gradually diminishes. All these conditions known as primary apnea. Tactile stimulation and exposure to oxygen during this period will induce respiration. If asphyxia continues, the infant develops deep gasping respiration, the heart rate continued decrease, BP being to fall, and infant becomes nearly flaccid. The respiration becomes weaker and weaker. This condition known as secondary apnea. The infant is now unresponsive to stimulation and will not spontaneously resume respiratory effort unless resuscitation will assist ventilation and oxygen. Now, ABGAS score. ABGAS score is the uh, 3 scoring 0, 1, 2 and 5 signs, and respiratory effort none, score is 0, and slow and irregular, score is 1, and good and crying, score is 2. Now, heart rate is absent, score is 0, and less than 100, score is 1, and more than 2, score is 2. More than 100, score is 2, and color of the body blue or pale, score is 0. Body pink and extremities blue, score is 1. And body is pink, all body is pink, score is 2. Now muscle stones, flaccid, score is 0. Some flexion, score is 1. And active movement with extremities, score is 2. Now reflex stimulation, no response, score is 0. Renius, score is 1. Cries and cough or sneeze, score is 2. ABGAS score is based on degree of cardiorespiratory and neurological depression present and is measured at 1 and 0 minute after birth. It commonly measured in all babies at birth, regardless whether asphyxia is present or not. A normal ABGAS score is 7 to 10 and moderately Apgar score depressed 4 to 6 and severely depressed 0 to 3. Apgar score provide guidelines for assessing the oxygenation state of the newborn and decide on the need for undertaking assist ventilation. Now clinical feature is there apnea, bradycardia, altered respiratory pattern grunting, gasping, cyanosis, pallor shock, hypotonia, unresponsiveness. Differential diagnosis is there drug depression like maternal drugs, prematurity, trauma, tentorial tear, anemia, neuromuscular disorder, infection, inborn error of metabolism, pyridoxine dependency, and respiratory tract malformation. That is clinical features. Now management, resuscitation, resuscitation equipments like meconium aspirator, mechanical suction, suction catheter, feeding tube, bag mask equipment, neonatal resuscitation bag, face mask, oxygen with flow meter and tubing, tubation equipment, laryngoscope, endotracheal tube, medication, epinephrine, sodium bicarbonate, silver nitrate, miscellaneous that is medicine, and watch with second hands, stethoscope, radiant Varman, and now homeopathic management, antium tart, carbovage, aconite, and epicase. Now this session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.